Here's our new outdoor shower that we built just a few weeks ago. We tucked it just a short walk from the yurt for a little privacy since we were only doing 3 walls, and we've been super happy with it. So our approach was to just get, it's kind of the easiest option, is one of these Camplux propane water heaters. Run on propane. So you have your connector here, and then just a standard garden hose connection, and the heater also comes with this shower head also, which is surprisingly decent. So it's been working great for us. So our water source, because we're off grid, comes from a spring house, which is off in the woods a ways. And I think like 600 or 700 feet we figured out, and then we ran hose from it, so it's running constantly. And we added a Y connector here so that when we're not showering, the water is getting diverted over there, just so that we're not creating a puddle or mud pit underneath the shower. Then when we are ready to shower, we redirect the water to the hose that goes to the water heater, and then turn on the gas. And there's a switch on here that we leave off. It's dripping because I just had it on a few minutes ago. And then you have your knobs here for amount of water that's coming in, water flow, and this is labeled gas, but that's the heat of the water. And so the way that it works is that when the water comes through, that is what triggers the ignition. There's also just a D battery in here. And so then when we're ready, now that we have the water going into this one, the gas is turned on. These are both at about just halfway. You turn the shower head on, and you could hear that click and ignite. And you can see, I don't know if you can see on the video, but you can see the flames in there. And it vents out the top, and the water is already real warm. So that is our off-grid outdoor shower. It's been amazing. We recommend the Camplux. It's been good for us. I know there are a lot of other options out there, but we've been satisfied with this one. Thanks.